Our project started when we were deciding about entering the Master Gardener program. We had heard about it through our channels at Iowa State University. We both loved to garden.
So part of the project, we created 6 different sort of vignettes or focused gardens.
This year we planted a wide variety of different fruits and veg. We have strawberries, we have tomatoes, which have been really bountiful this year. We also have cucumbers, eggplant, peppers, a wide variety of different things that people can pick from, and we encourage patients and staff to come out and grab whatever looks like it's ready to be harvested.
You know, Jen lost her dad last winter, and he was in hospice, and my dad 13 years ago, and he had been in hospice, and so we kind of landed on the idea of reaching out to hospice. So we sent an email to Mary Greeley, got directed to Pat Howlett. She seemed like they were interested in the idea, and so we decided to go for it.
It's a peaceful area, it's a calming area, just to escape from what's happening inside the building and being able to come out here and enjoy what Lora and Jen did in our backyard, and as well as our staff. It's a great retreat just for a few minutes and just get away from what they're doing on a daily basis and coming out here and enjoying a peaceful and calming environment and having their lunch out here or just walking through there.
One of my favorite plants, though, is the sensitive plant. If you touch it, it will curl up. We thought that kids might enjoy touching that one a little bit.
We have learned through hospice experiences just the dedication of the employees to making it such a relaxed atmosphere, an atmosphere of care, and the focus is really on the family and supporting them. That was one of the things that I felt very passionate around giving back to hospice after having gone through that experience.
We had one of our patients who loved to be outdoors, and so we have awesome staff, awesome nurses and patient care techs, and who brought him out here in his bed, and he was able to sit back in the garden and enjoy laying in his bed in our garden. And so not just being outdoors, but in a beautiful environment, in the calming environment back here. And then he was also able to enjoy the fruits of their labor and the vegetables of their labor. Any extras we have, we put out on our little hospitality table, and so our families, when they come and get a cup of coffee or a snack, we have a bowl of tomatoes there right now that they can enjoy them.
My dad was in hospice, but he was an avid gardener all of his life, and he was the one that got me excited around gardening. So I very much feel his presence when I'm here and tending to the plants. You know, it was something that when I'm at home, I might not weed as intentionally as I do here. And I just have that desire now to give that experience to folks that come in this space. So for me, it's really being in touch with you know, the sensory piece of it, to being close to my family through that experience.
You know, it makes me feel very close to you know, my parents, who are both gone now, and so but it's also our relationship. We've known each other for a lot of years, but you know, the pandemic was hard on everybody, and so it's been really wonderful just to have time with, you know, my best friend.